So I booked the wrong airport.
Dear guests, we have landed at Calibo International Airport. AirAsia welcomes you to Calibo, Aklan.
Where can we get a car to Boracay? For one taxi, 1,500. Just a taxi?
1,500.
Sige.
How many people?
Two lang. Yeah. Thank you. How long is the trip to Boracay? The car, the taxi?
Okay, it's only 1 hour and 45 minutes.
1 hour 45. Sige.
Abraham.
Oh gosh, guys. So I booked the wrong airport. It's actually quite deceiving when you book online because it does say Boracay. So I've booked to Calibo when I was supposed to book to Caticlan. I've made the same mistake before and it's happened again. And when I was booking it, I remember clearly saying, I know this is the right one. I know it starts with C or K or one of those Calibo Caticlan. Kind of just like merges in your head after years of not, coming to Boracay and booking my own tickets, because normally it's not me who books, it's Press who books. So I decided to book this time and I made the same mistake. So here we are in Calibo. It's an adventure again. We have made it to Boracay, and first things first is you need to register. We have to walk. First stop is coffee, and then I came across Sunnyside Cafe, and they have vegan Spanish latte with oat milk, so I'm gonna get that for takeout. For lunch, Crest is craving pasta, so we decided to check out Giuseppe. Giuseppe is actually a restaurant in Cebu, so nice to see it here in Boracay as well.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we just quickly went back to drop our slippers because we realized there's really no point bringing your slippers around because it's just so nice to walk by the beach barefoot. So yeah, now we're back here. I want to show you guys a quick tour of Nigi Nigi 2, which is a beachfront resort here in Boracay Island. And there's a little cute kitty here who might want to join me. Hi! Hi! Oh yes, well, you're part of the vlog. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, you look like me. Oh my gosh, we're blending. My skirt looks like you. So cute. But I'm gonna do a resort tour first, okay? Yes, okay. What I like about Nigi Nigi 2 is that it's actually almost a villa type wherein not all the rooms are attached together, so you have a little bit of privacy. So downstairs you have 2 rooms, and upstairs as well there are 2 separate rooms. And you have a little balcony to yourself, and this is what the area looks like. And they have a little garden area with a cute artistic fountain that adds a touch to this whole place. So yeah, if you are tired from the beach life, at least this resort has a nice garden feel wherein you can just chill here. So you get a little bit of the sun and a little bit of the shade, especially during the afternoon when the sun's just in front of you. This area is nicely shaded and it's actually quite cool. All right, there he is. Yes. Okay.
My fancy bag.
Oh, thanks for bringing my bag. And yeah, as I mentioned, it is beachfront, so we're gonna exit now and go find a place to hang out for sunset.
Hi vlog!
Hi! Love the Filipino people. They're always so jolly and find a moment to just spread the happiness, their happiness. Have stopped in Hello Sailor for some afternoon cocktails, and what's great is we are in Station 1, so the beaches are bigger and there's also less crowd than where we were earlier. So I'm looking at the cocktails, and one of their signature cocktails is called Rubber Ducky, and it has absinthe. So I don't know if you want to try that.
Do I look like someone that drinks absinthe?
It's one of our pastimes jokes. Sunseeker, high tide, sink or swim. Cheers.
Cheerios.
Refreshing.
This one's very refreshing.
Yeah, can I try it? Yummier than mine. That's good. Which one's that?
Secret.
All is well. We play paddle in Manila. Okay, it's kind of the same racket. Yes. With the bounce.
Thank you for watching my vlog. My name is Nat and I'm from the Traveling Foxes. and I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be posting more adventures around the Philippines and also from other parts of the world. See you all on my next adventure.